The Small Business Analyst Society of Canada was formed in 2020 with a mission to develop and deliver foundational training in accounting and finance to students, community colleges, and accounting practitioners. It was formed just after CPA Canada recognized that its own offering, the Advanced Certificate in Accounting and Finance, was a failure. Their certificate failed in spite of Canada's urgent need for accounting technicians. Our Business Analyst Technician program was built from the ground up. It was designed to meet the needs of small business and the vast majority of accounting practitioners who are themselves very small. According to CPA Canada, 78% of Canada's more than 18,000 public accounting firms only have one or two CPA practitioners. Less than 1% of Canadian businesses are large or even medium-sized businesses. In fact, together they employ less than 25% of private sector workers. So from our perspective, small businesses with fewer than 50 employees, which account for about 96% of all private sector firms, is actually a big deal.